Motorola confirms Edge S is coming January 26 with new Snapdragon 870. Only hours after Qualcomm announced the Snapdragon 870 chipset, Motorola has confirmed that its Moto Edge S will premiere with the new chip on January 26. Motorola had already teased the new smartphone on Weibo and gave us hints about the new chipset. The Snapdragon 870 has the fastest clock speed of any chipset at the moment with the Cryo 585, a reworked Cortex-A77, running up to 3.2 GHz. The chipset is built on TSMC's 7nm process and has 8 cores, the aforementioned super-fast Cortex-A77, 3 Cortex-A77 running at a lower speed and 4 Cortex-A55 for efficiency. The Motorola Edge S is expected to have a 6.7-inch FHD Plus display with an odd 105 Hz refresh rate and a 64MP main camera. We expect the Edge S to bring similar specs to the Motorola Edge Plus, which has a 5,000 mAh battery, OLED display, possibly a very curved one, and a triple camera. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.